Hello friends and followers, one more video on this Central Electronics 100V VFO. So it is possible to get this thing to track pretty much every 25 kcs. So I've gone through this. It's taken me hours to take this cubic SDR through 25 kcs, but pretty much got this thing dialed in now. And to do that, you have to really laboriously go through these little settings down in here and tweak those screws to make the level correct to get the final height correct for that part of the band that you want to compensate for. So yeah, it's pretty involved, but it works. So finally got this thing dialed in. Of course, if I moved this even a fraction, it would screw it all up. So you want to make sure this is tight, the wheel here, because that's what matters. All right, so I guess that concludes my calibration of the 100V VFO. Looks like it's successful and the VFO is rebuilt. So this thing is now tested and ready to go back into the 100V. I give it a clean bill of health and it's calibrated within probably 1 to 2 kcs on most sections of the 25 kc spreads. All right, that's about it. So I've been running this VFO off of the Drake with 150 volts from the Drake and 6 volts DC for the tube filaments. It's been working out pretty good. All connected up to the power plug here. And again, here's the schematic I've been using for the power plug for the VFO. It's all labeled right there pretty well. And the VFO is shown right here in the schematic. So get the tube heaters wired up here and just give it this pink lead with 150 B+, and the VFO will fire up and work for you. So just tap it off of here, tap it right there, and feed your SDR or receiver, and you can calibrate it. So I've been using this RTO SDR as a service monitor, as I find it's pretty accurate. And that's it. This is done. So have a great night. It's roughly 1:45 in the morning. That's how long this has taken all day to get this thing working and put back together. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.